Since I've started Calligraphy Masters, people have always been asking me how to start calligraphy, where to start calligraphy, I want to learn but I don't know what to do, and all kinds of questions like this. Your time has come, my fellow beginners. Hi everyone, welcome back to Calligraphy Masters. My name is Milenis, and today I've decided to show you how to start calligraphy in a few easy steps. If you haven't watched my latest video about why calligraphers keep writing calligraphy, you can check it by clicking. This is a small but very useful guide by Nirjar Mondal. I hope I pronounced the name correctly. If not, I'm sorry dude. But I posted this guide a few days ago on Calligraphy Masters Instagram, and since that it got over 9,900 likes, over 500 shares and over 5,000 saves, which means it was pretty useful to people. That's why I decided to share it with you too, guys. If you're one of the people who wants to start calligraphy, who wants to learn it but don't know where and how to start, congratulations, you're on the right place. Before you even start learning calligraphy, there is a very important thing that you have to do. You have to decide which style do you want to start with. It is very important that you decide what style you want to start with, because it will determine what kind of nips you need to start learning with. And the nips could be either a broad edge nips or pointed nips. I myself am very much a broad edge nip person. I love styles that require such nip, and I've always been afraid of pointed nips. I own myself like quite a lot of pointed pen nips, but for me it seems very hard to use them. I've spoken with people that are focused on pointed nips, and funny enough, for them it seems that broad edge nips are very hard. So I guess it's a very personal thing, but still I think that broad edge nips are a bit easier to start with. Next, you need to find an exemplar of the script you like to start. For example, something like this. This is like foundational hand, this is textura. And if you're wondering where can I find something like this, it's very easy. Just go on Google and type, for example, textura alphabet, foundational hand alphabet, play. It's easy to find them. And if that's not easy enough for you, you can always get the Calligrapher's Bible, which has over 100 complete alphabets. It's a book that helps a lot of beginners, and it helped me on my journey. So if you don't know where to find your exemplars, you can get the book. There will be a link in the description. Keep in mind not to write the letters from A to Z, but rather try to divide the letters in groups that share common features. Next is use guidelines. And I mean use guidelines. This is such an important thing. I've been ignoring this in the beginning of my journey, and this was a huge mistake. If you don't want to waste your time like me, use guidelines, guys. Use guidelines. For you, use guidelines. Don't repeat my mistake. You will be grateful. Trust me. Just use guidelines. According to this guide, if you're a broad edge person, you should start with a foundational hand. I don't know why. To be honest, I've never written foundational hand. I believe I started with Gothic scripts. Like, I've been always attracted to Gothics, and then I moved to Unshow, italics and stuff like this, but it's totally up to you. According to the guide, you should start with foundational hand. If you're a pointed script person, you should start with copperplate or Spencerian. Next is, let's have a look at some common scripts of either type of nips. For broad edge nips, there is foundational hand, italics, Gothics, Newland, Unshow and Roman capitals. Examples of pointed pen nip scripts are copperplate, Spencerian and maybe engrosser script. To be honest, I've tried to search some more scripts with pointed nip, but I didn't find any. So if you know any, please let me know, because it's weird that there must be more. Next on the list is gather resources, which I believe the artist wanted to say supplies, I guess. You'll be needing nips, holders, papers and colors. Of course, if you don't know where to find all the supplies, There will be link in the description, which will make it easy for you. And again, always write the guidelines properly when you're writing. Guidelines are the backbone of your writing. Amen. Practice the alphabets every once in a while. This will rectify your mistakes and enhance your precision and consistency. Once you get used to letter forms, start writing some quotes. And remember, a bad space is worse than a bad letter. So try to get a proper idea on spacing between the letters and between the words. Last but not least, be patient. I know when you go online, you see all these videos where people write fast, they write beautiful, it seems so easy, but remember, first of all, it's never fast. All those videos are sped up. Calligraphy requires patience, loads of patience. Be as slow as possible, write slowly, be patient, and don't give up. That's it, those are the few easy steps that you can start calligraphy with. How was the guide in your opinion? Was it useful to you, or would it be useful to someone that you know? If this is the case, feel free to share it with them. You see, this guide might not be enough for you, or not the whole story of how to start calligraphy, but there is a reason that for so long time I never posted a video that's how to start calligraphy, and the reason for this is, in my opinion, it needs to be quite a long video, or it must be a series of short videos. Something like this is coming soon, but before this, I hope this video helps you. I'll put also some links in the description of videos that can help you understand how to start your journey in calligraphy. If this video was useful to you, hit the like button. It helps a lot, guys. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to join the Calligraphy Masters family. Let me know in the comments if you're a broad edge nib person or you're a pointed nib person. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video, and as always, keep writing.